previous video, I explained you about the number system that we studied about natural number, whole number, integers, etc. So further we proceeded, we have to learn about the rational number. You are very familiar to rational number. So what is rational number? Suppose p एक कोई इंटीजर है और q भी इंटीजर है, पर q जो है वो नॉन जीरो इंटीजर है. मीन्स टू से q इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू ज़ीरो. जिसे हम कह सकते हैं q इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू ज़ीरो. जब q ज़ीरो के इंटीजर में इक्वल में नहीं है, that number will be, if it is in p upon q form, that will be the rational number. Again I will tell you the definition. If p is an integer and q is non-zero integer, then p upon q is a rational number. Example, I have taken, we can take 2 upon 3, 5 upon 7, minus 13 upon 8, 19 upon 11, any number which are in the p upon q form and q is not equal to 0. Then the next word, that is irrational number. What is an irrational number? देखिए, जब कोई नंबर जो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग हो, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग और टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिकरिंग, ये वर्ड्स को भी हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग मीन्स जो टर्मिनेट नहीं हो रहा है एंड नॉन रिकरिंग डेसिमल फॉर्म में होगा, दैट विल बी एन इरेशनल नंबर. Suppose root 2, pi, root 3, etc. Now I will tell you again the definition of the irrational number. A number which has non-terminating and non-recurring decimal form, this is known as irrational number. Example, root 2, pi, root 3, etc. etc. I will tell you root 2. Root 2's value is 1.41421356 etc. etc. So root 2 will be, because it is non-terminating, it is not a recurring form, non-recurring form, it will be an irrational number. So we can say now the next word, that is real number. How the real number is formed? We can say rational number and irrational number together form real number. So here the concept is clear that every rational number can be a real number, every irrational number can be a real number. Example, 2 upon 9 minus 20 upon 6, root 2 minus 14.36 etc. Here I told you, I will explain you the terminating decimal form and the non-terminating recurring decimal form. When the process gets ended, process of division gets ended, that is known as the terminating decimal form of the fraction. And when the division process of the division does not getting ended, it will be the non-terminating type decimal form. But if the same number of the same digit after the decimal form is repeated again and again, that will be non-terminating recurring decimal form. Example, for the terminating decimal form I have taken 25 upon 4. आप इसे divide करिए, we will get 6.25. Here the process of division gets ended or process of division is ending. But for non-terminating recurring decimal form, I have taken an example of 20 upon 6. If you divide it, you will get 3.333 recurring. जब recurring होता है, I will tell you here, recurring decimal के बाद में suppose 3.3333 like this, we can write like this or 3.3 bar. रिकरिंग नंबर जब आता है, मीन्स टू से जब डेसिमल के बाद में कोई डिजिट रिपीट होती है, तो आप उसे मेनी टाइम्स ना लिखकर आप उसे उस पर डॉट लगा दीजिए, अदरवाइज इस तरह से साइन डैश का लगाकर, दैट इज नोन एज बार, आप कह सकते हैं दिस इज द रिकरिंग डेसिमल फॉर्म ऑफ द नंबर।